Hello guys, my name is Brookwise Mary Anzian. I am a data scientist in Analytics. I'm come from Côte d'Ivoire. For this presentation, I am a plan. My plan first, I make a supervised learning definition and unsupervised learning definition. The difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and finished for the conclusions. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is the type of machine learning in which machines are training using well-labeled training data. And on basis of data, machine predict the output. The label data means some input data is already targeted with the correct output. In the real world, supervised learning can be using for the image classification, for the detection, spam, filtering. There are many use cases to be used supervised learning. Okay, for the supervised learning model are training using label datasets, where the model learn about each data of each type of data. Once the training process is completed, the model is tested on the basis of test data. Okay, this is my label data with the label square, triangle, hexagon. I'm training my model. If I'm going to train my model can be project if it is a square or a triangle. I'm finished to train my model. I'm test my model in the test data. If my test it is good, I can predict a square or triangle. Supervised learning. There are two types: regression, classification. Regression algorithms are used if there is a relationship between the input variable and the output variable. This is the algorithm for the regression, linear regression trace, Bayesian, etc. Classifications. Classification algorithms are using when the output variable is categorical. This is very important. The example, it is a yes or no, male and female, true or false. The algorithm is random forest, decision tree, Gaussian regression, super vector machine. Advantage of supervised learning. With the help of supervised learning model, I can predict the output on the basis of prior experience. In supervised learning, we can have an exact idea about the class object. Now, there are many use cases for the detection of spam filtering. From the disadvantage, supervised learning models are not suitable for handling the complex task. Supervised learning cannot predict the correct output if the test data is different on the training data. There are many examples. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning in which models are trained using unique datasets and are able to act on data without supervising. Now, for the unsupervised learning, input real data, unique data, make the algorithm, the interpretation and the processing. If this step is finished, my model, my unsupervised learning algorithm can be predicted if it is a dog or it is the car. unsupervised learning. Unsupervised, there are two types, clustering and association. Okay, for the unsupervised learning algorithm, we are coming cluster, hierarchical clustering, anomaly detection, neural network, a priori algorithm. There are many algorithms on the unsupervised. Okay, what is the advantage and disadvantage concern unsupervised learning? This is the advantage and disadvantage. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is using for the more complex tasks comparable to supervised learning, because in supervised learning we don't have a label. Disadvantage. Unsupervised learning is intrinsically more difficult than supervised learning, as it doesn't have corresponding output. Difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. In the case of supervised learning is comparable to a student who is helped by parents for his homework, or the unsupervised learning, the student himself is forcing to learn without to help of the extra person. Okay, this is the table concern supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Voilà. Unsupervised learning can be categorized in classification and regression problems. Unsupervised learning can be classified in clustering and association person. Voilà. There are many differences in supervised learning and unsupervised. Thank you guys, and for this presentation I'm make the difference on the supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Thank you.